What's going on, my friends? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be taking a look at my Redbubble sales for the month of April with over 2,600 designs and growing. And just how much money did I make this month? It was a pretty good month, spoiler alert, but let's go take a look at the analytics and let's see exactly how good of a month it was. Alright, so first things first, we're going to check out the Google Analytics before we get to the sales section. If you guys want to skip to the sales section, there should be a chapter marked in the video to see the number or the profit that I did make this month on Redbubble, in case that's just what you want to see here. So before we get to that though, in this part of the video, we're just going to look at how I did in terms of people coming to my designs, my store, and what it looks like when I made this much sales that I am going to show you in a minute. So 7 days. In the last 7 days, we've had about 100 users with an average session duration of 2 minutes. So all my stats are up from the previous 7 days. Now we're going to go look at the last 28 days, which is pretty much the last month, starting from April 3rd. And you're going to see we did have a huge spike here where I had 2 days, 40 users one day and 51 the next. And then it went back down to 10 to 20 to 15. So around 15 to 20 here. Or 10 to 20, and yeah, ending with 412 users that month. Let me go ahead and we scroll down here for the traffic channels. You're going to see we're going to have a few traffics from other places that aren't direct, but majority of our traffic is directly from people searching on Redbubble, so nothing crazy, not on a million organic traffic or a million organic searches, but some paid searches and some organic searches, which is still good. Now that's last 7 days. Let's go ahead and look at the last 30 days. Where is it? If I can actually click the last 30 days, we're going to go from April 1st instead of April 4th to April 30th. You're going to see here we did have that huge spike once again. These are 2 huge spikes, but pretty much all of our traffic is from direct. This day we had a few more paid and organic. Most of it is direct though. And now in terms of countries, we got 7 days here. Last 28 days, majority always going to be from the United States pretty much, and then we got quite a bit of Sweden, Finland, UK, Germany, not that much Canada, 16 people from Canada and 131 from the States. So actually quite a bit of different regions, only 28% from the States. So lots of different regions buying on Redbubble, which is really good. International website, so that's also something that's really good. With that being said, let's go ahead now and take a look at our shop and how much sales we actually made. Alright, and here I have an Excel sheet pulled up with my sales. So you're going to see lots and lots of sticker sales and actually quite a few t-shirt and tank top sales, which actually played a big part in a bit of extra profit for me. And we're going to scroll down here. We're going to see all our sales, stickers, an acrylic block, which is actually the first acrylic block that I did sell. Mostly stickers though, some shirts here and there, a pair of socks, which left a hefty profit of $3. We're going to see the acrylic block was $5. And this hoodie right here that I sold was $11 profit. So pretty awesome. And you're going to scroll down here and we're going to see you have a funny number, $69. Don't know why it's funny, but it's funny. And yeah, $69 of profit on Redbubble this month. Definitely a really good month considering I, haven't really been adding that much designs, 5 a day with automated tools, right? I've been using an automated tool to upload designs now. I believe one of my new designs has sold with automation being uploading it, but it's way easier. I've spent way less time by using automation tools, and my other designs are still up there. I did upload 2,600 manually, which was quite a journey, I'll tell you that, but 2,600 manually has netted me $69 this month, and hopefully this will grow and grow over time. But it's just Redbubble. My main focus is merch by Amazon and Etsy, and those are my 2 big platforms that I plan on actually making majority of my income from with print on demand. But yeah, $69 on Redbubble. Now real quick, we're going to go look at the Redbubble dashboard just to see how the analytics are looking over there in terms of my revenue so far on Redbubble and my sales so far, not just this month, but overall since my account has been opened in August 2020. So here we are on the Redbubble website, and you're going to see when I scroll down to the bottom of this sales page, if I can scroll down to the bottom, I have made 222 sales, $610 in revenue, and $469 in profit. Or I believe this together would be the revenue, but regardless, $469 US in profit, which is quite good quite nice, and 222 items sold. So nothing to go over the moon about. 545 favorites. But real quick, we're gonna look at my dashboard just to see, my earnings so far. So April, which it says March, is quite good. It says $46 here. It was $69. It's a bit off, but I believe that's one of our better months. I know back in November, Black Friday was around and I was making a lot of sales. But yeah, this is a really good month, and I'm pretty happy about this. Now, real quick before I end the video, there's also these audience traffic sources, which you can see on your Redbubble dashboard. And you can also see above this your top selling designs, which I'm not going to show on this video for, pretty logical reasons. But yeah, you can see your best selling designs. And with 2,600 designs, I do have a few that really do make majority of my sales. One design will make, 5 out of 20 sales, which is something to keep in mind. Not every design is going to do well, especially when you're doing print on demand the way I'm doing, with rapid amount of uploads and rapid amount of niches. Keep that in mind. But 4,300 designs, or 4,300 unique visitors, you're going to see here quite a bit in April. Did have that big spike back in December, and it has been pretty steady right here. I started in August. It was pretty slow, grow, bang, same, down, same. But now that we have made some even more sales on some new listings this month, I'm expecting those to carry over to the next month in terms of this, number of direct traffic we're having and traffic in general. And as that goes up, our sales will go up, which is quite exciting. Obviously, Redbubble, once again, it's not my main focus, but still super exciting to see one sale churning into more sales with a 2,600 design catalog, and just seeing some more, kind of passive income, things that I made months ago, still making me money, which is pretty awesome. Anyways, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this Redbubble earnings update. I know it's been a whole month since I did one, but thank you guys so much for watching. As always, keep striving, stay blessed. It's been your friend Jack, and I'll see you guys in the next freaking video. If you want to check out last month's Redbubble earnings, go ahead and do that. It'll be linked down in the description. Not quite as much as this month, but you can go and see what my analytics were like that month. And if you want to go back on my whole print-on-demand journey, I have a playlist with over 70 videos just from start to where I am now of my print-on-demand journey and my progress I've made so far. It's about a 7-month-long journey so far. So if you want to go ahead and check out that and see where I started, and even the video quality is quite significantly lower back then go ahead. It's pretty nostalgic. It's pretty cool. And thank you guys so much for watching once again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.